I'm up. Hey. I gotta show the vlog in your truck. Do it. Everybody's getting new trucks lately. My dad, now you. That's just 2 people, it's not everybody, but I think... Give us the rundown.
Dude, I know nothing about it. You can.
No.
Yeah. 2018, 12,000 miles.
Ram 2500. It's the 6.7. It's the same engine that's in my dad's truck.
I'm not a truck guy.
850 foot-pounds of torque, 400 horsepower. It's clean. No way.
Permanently closed. My girl is here though. Damn.
Wait, why permanently? That's
know.
crazy.
I gotta tell Zach, no more Lori. Lori was our girl. That's a bummer.
R.I.P. Lori.
Yeah. Damn. That sucks.
Bag secured. They gave us cardboard straws though. This is disgusting.
Yeah, that's not cool.
No. One day I'm gonna have viewers and they'll be like, I remember when they were doing builds in Spencer's garage. I could throw an edit up of the new truck on the vlog. That's gonna look like garbage. As you guys can see, it's dark out. I haven't really done much vlogging today, but I feel like I owe you guys a life update. I kind of fill you guys in and then I don't tell you. Last vlog, I told you guys that I put an offer in on a house. And I put the offer in and then I was impatiently waiting and I was like freaking out, waiting to hear back. And I heard back that somebody put a full cash offer on the place, so of course they accepted that. So I'm not getting the house, which it really sucked, but maybe it's for the better. So after that, I had to come up with something because we just moved out of my house. I have all my stuff in a U-Haul right now. So I just signed a 7-month lease with an apartment complex that's next to my house. So I can go pick up the keys tonight. I signed it yesterday and I'm already getting the keys, which is crazy. So I'm gonna have that place for 7 months. And the reason I'm only doing a 7-month lease, I was gonna do 6, but with rates, it was better to do 7. The reason I'm doing that is because, so some of you guys know I commercial fish in Alaska. So I leave probably midway through January and then I'm coming back late March, early April. And to get a house, when you buy a house, you don't get the keys for most likely 30 days after they accept your offer. So when I get home next time, I need a place to live. So my best option right now was to get an apartment. So I'm pretty excited and I kind of wanted to like take you guys along on the journey. So I'm going to pick up Camilla right now and then I'm going to go get the keys and tomorrow we can start moving in. So I'm super hyped. Basically my whole channel has been revolved around cars because that's just what I love to do and cars is like kind of like my passion, whatever. But I thought it would be exciting to kind of take you guys more around like the day-to-day stuff that I do. Kind of like my last video. Like it was titled Racing My Dad. It was more vlog and lifestyle in it. So I kind of want to incorporate that more. Almost like a Tanner Fox style video where he'll incorporate cars, but that's not everything he's about. He's just more of like a day-to-day vlogger. And I kind of want to incorporate some of that. So let me know what you guys think about that. Obviously, most of you guys are here for cars because that's what my channel started from. But I just think it would be cool to just incorporate more about myself and my day-to-day life because it's not always easy to come up with car content. And it's just cool to like take you guys along for the ride. Okay. We didn't get the keys. We literally walked in. She goes, I am so sorry. So it's like magnetic key fobs to get into the rooms. She said, I'm so sorry, but the key fob machine maker thingy decided to stop working, so she can't give us the keys. Sucks.
Yeah.
It's nobody's fault. It's just a bummer.
But
I'm not blaming her, but it is her fault.
we'll get it tomorrow. Okay, that's enough.
It's so fun.
No, it's not. We're at Target.
God, like official vlogger.
I'm a little vlogger now. Every time you realize something you need or don't like that you have, write it down.
But I need a garbage.
Yeah, you do. We left Target. Got nothing.
Yeah, literally nothing. I got Takis and 3 cases of LaCroix. And if you don't like LaCroix,
It's
if you don't like
nasty.
LaCroix, then you.
All seltzer water is gross.
No, it's not. It's great. Tomorrow I'll update you guys again when I actually get the keys and I actually get cool stuff for the apartment. Now we have to do like a cool outro and then I'll be like, and then I'm gonna be in the apartment.
What?
Welcome in to my crib. Start off with a banger. Show the kitchen.
Next.
I don't know what to say. This is everything. I got my fridge and my freezer, cabinets, microwave. Pretty basic. We'll show you later when we put some stuff in there. This is my living room. This is where my couch is gonna be. That's where my TV is gonna be. Maybe vice versa. We'll set it up later, like the other one. It's some heat cranked in here. It's
I'm
like
freezing.
60. Okay, here's my room. Guys, I suck at tours like this, so bear
Oh,
with
you
me.
have a fan, I just noticed.
Yeah. This is at 62. It's cold. 60 as well. But I have 2 beds that I'm gonna choose from. One of them's way bigger than the other, and I don't know what I'm gonna be able to fit in here. So I gotta take some measurements. We forgot the tape measure.
Oh, we can
I'm
go
gonna take
back.
some measurements, and we're gonna see what we can make work. This is my closet. Little walk-in closet. Got shoe racks here, which is sweet.
Pretty nice.
Can I hang clothes here?
Yeah.
Oh, here. Washer and dryer. Just smashed my finger. And then bathroom. Look at this.
That's it.
Here we are.
And then it all connects again.
Yeah.
You got your first
I
apartment.
know, it's exciting. Update. We got everything in here. My mom just did a Costco run and got me a mattress, and I got all my towels and stuff and some knives and forks. I got everything here, all my gaming stuff, my desk, couch from Spencer, shout out. This thingy, my TV that's gonna go there. Camilla already organized 90% of my closet, so that's lit.
Not even 90%.
Whatever, but I got monitors there, my desk chair, I got my bed going in here. So now we're gonna start assembling everything. First we were just piling everything in here, trying to get it all done before it gets dark. Start assembling this couch and get everything ready. So I think we should time lapse it.
Time lapse us doing the couch.
Well, yeah. Working. Dang. You're cooking in here.
Yeah. Get you set up.
Oh yeah. Looks good.
Yeah, be sleeping.
Ouch, oh my god.
Snackers.
Snacks? Ooh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome home warming gifts.
I figured that would make you happy right now.
Oh yeah. Here, hold this. Push in. Let's see it.
Oh, it's so compressed for that.
It's like a rock.
It's gonna almost finish.
No.
Right?
Yeah, that's right.
Now we need the Vicky. Now watch.
It's excitement. When Mia painted it, did it out of nowhere on us.
Let's get out of the way.
Oh, it's slowly. Dang. It's crazy how freaking tight they can pack it.
I know.
This mattress is huge.
It's really nice.
Was this mattress thicker than yours was?
I think they're both 14 inches.
Dang, it's really thick.
Okay, Jake. Run and jump.
It's gonna be a
parody on Smack My Head.
There you go.
Made it.
Made it.
Woo!
See you in the morning.
I could fall asleep right now. I'm waiting for desk legs from my dad. He's going to pick them up from the storage unit, so I'm setting it up like this for now. But I just got to unpack my monitors and then set that up. He also is getting the computer, and then we'll have the whole desk set up. It looks weird from over here. It looks like weird seeing it all kind of like start to take shape.
It's definitely a little man cave type apartment.
Well, yeah, it's not going to look like Haley's. Monitor 1. Log update. My dad just brought my computer. I'll get that later. And I got the legs for my desk.
What about your wonderful silverware?
My Nate.
I was gonna say neat.
Oh,
Came out neat.
I like it.
Nice silverware.
Yes, thank you. It's the next day. So last night was pretty busy. So what ended up happening was me and Camilla went to Target. Then we went to her house and got some food. And then I went to the gym. So it was pretty busy. And then I came back here and I started cleaning at like 1 in the morning. And I was just trying to grind it out because I didn't want to go to bed with it messy. So I just want to give you guys kind of a rundown of what it looks like now. First, when I went to Target, I got these hangers. I got 3 packs of them. Hang all my clothes. And then I got this sheet. Ultra soft fitted sheet. And I got this shower curtain. And then I got like the, where is it? No way. Maybe I left the bag in my car, but I got like a liner for the shower too. I got this toaster. So, stainless steel toaster. So my sister texted me and she was like, okay, you got to go to Target at this time and pick up your apartment warming gift. So I did, and that's what she gave me, which is super dope. So thank you. Shout out baby. Hey, shout out Haley. And for the apartment, so the kitchen's pretty basic. There's not really anything in it. In my fridge, I just got some drinks. Here, I just got some like chips and spices. You know, just all the random stuff under here. I got some cleaning stuff. All the stuff mom hooked me up with, you get it. And then out here, so tomorrow, or today actually, I'm gonna be wall mounting this here, and then with mounting my sound bar. And this couch turned out perfect. And then over here, got my desk set up. Oh, I'll let in some light for you guys. So over here's my desk set up. I actually really like the way this turned out. I actually chose to put this monitor right there. I normally have these swapped, but that's the one I normally play on, and I chose it that way so like if somebody's like, sitting here, they can watch easier. I don't know, I thought it was kind of cool. And then for the bedroom, this is all set up kind of the same as I think last time you guys saw. I think I already showed you, but I don't know if I showed you guys this. This is dope. So like, I can sit up in bed and it goes up a lot higher and the feet go up too. And then if I hold it, I go to the flat. It's dope. And then my closet. Starting to put it together. It's kind of That's why I needed more hangers, because I still have a bunch of boxes of clothes that I need to hang. Camilla was like setting up my shoes, which is like gym shoes, dress shoes, and then there's just like all my shoes I normally wear every day. Washer and dryer, my bathroom. And yeah, that's kind of it. So I want to like hear your guys' opinion on these types of videos. So like my channel is normally all car stuff, and lately I've been like kind of including normal vlogs in it. But just in the comments, just tell me what you thought. Like if you guys want to see more stuff like this, or if you guys just want to see more car stuff, because I can do that too. It's just sometimes hard with the circumstance to be always making car content. So I thought it was kind of cool doing it like this. Like I think I said earlier, like Tanner Fox style kind of, where he has cars in it, but it's not just about cars. It's more about his life and his lifestyle, and I kind of like that. It's more content for you guys. It's easier for me. I just think it's cool. So let me know what you guys think about that. Yeah, so I'm gonna close out the video because there's not really much more to show you guys. If you liked the video, hit that like button, drop a sub. You guys have been killing it lately. We're like coming up on 5K, which is crazy. So hopefully we can hit that by the end of the year. So yeah, peace out guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.